Hello guys, today I'm going to make pasta with chicken. Enjoy the video. 3 cups of flour. 1, 2, 3. A cup of cornstarch. Salt. Paprika powder, chili powder, onion powder, garlic powder. Mix it together. Put half in another bowl. Put 3 eggs. 1 cup of water. Mix it together. Put the chicken in the wet mix and then the dry mix. Put the chicken in the fryer. Now I'm going to make the pasta sauce. Cut 2 onions. Put them in a saucepan. A tomato paste. Add some yogurt. Add some lemon. Mix it together. Looks so yummy. Turmeric, paprika powder, curry, salt, pepper, cumin, chili powder. Mix it together. Add a cup of water. Mix, mix, mix. Add tuna. More tuna. Mix. Oh yeah, looks delicious. The pasta is ready. Looks really nice. Enjoy the food. Yummy, yummy. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked it.